Marion Ivey was co-founder and one of the original master trainers for ISSA's Cleaning Management Institute. Marion Ivey was also a very close friend of mine. He was one of the people that inspired me and even mentored me to continue this pathway into being a trainer. His comment to me was that there's probably nothing a person can do that's more rewarding than to help others achieve their goals. And that's what a trainer does. In fact, by helping others to change their goals, sometimes you can change a life. Sometimes you can save a life. A scholarship fund was created in his name and in his honor. And the reason for that is to be able to help others fulfill their opportunity to go through a career path development, to attend and participate in some of the certification workshops, and maybe elevate not only their own career, but the standards of the industry itself. There's nothing more prestigious than that. Please join me and help me nominate a new Trainer of the Year, someone that can carry this award into the further development of their own career. Who knows? You may change a life.